Hey guys, and happy Valentine's Day! I appreciate you are going to be watching this on Friday, not now, but it's Valentine's Day. So I'm going to do a Valentine's Day vlog. However, there's no way I could shoot, edit, and get it all up for today. So, as you know, has to be a little bit in the future, but I hope everyone is having a wonderful day no matter what you are doing or who you are spending it with, whether it be by yourself, a best friend, a partner, etc, etc. But I am going to be spending it with my partner today, so I'm going to be making us a meal. I'm trying to pop the camera up, guys. This is not working. Okay, we're gonna hold it. I'm going to be making a meal. I'm thinking maybe like meatballs with pasta or something, and like a moussey thing for dessert. This is what I'm thinking anyway, and hopefully I'll look a little bit more decent than what I'm looking right now. I will make slight effort on this occasion, but yes, follow me. We're going to go into the kitchen. I'm going to start the prepping of the meal, and then yeah, get myself a little bit more jazzed up. This is going to be a pretty easy one, by the way, today, and these are all the ingredients I need, believe it or not, to make the actual meatballs. All we have is mince, of course, so you can use any, by the way, like whatever your preference is, whether that's turkey or chicken or beef, and then tomato puree, some seasonings, 1 egg, and the onion, which is the bane of my life because this is going to absolutely kill me whilst I grate it. However, they do say, oh, and some flour just at the back there. However, as I said, they do say that all good things, I don't know, all good things hurt. Just gonna go with this right now. And yeah, I'm just going to pop everything into a bowl, start mixing, and you guys will see the process. You might be ready to see me cry right now, but I'm not ready to cry. And because it's gonna hurt. It's that time. It's that time, people. Guys, this better be worth the struggle because, my eyes are killing me right now. Can you even see? Killing me. And I've done everything. I've done the whole spoon in the mouth, all that rubbish. Doesn't work. Just grating an onion, just killed anyway. That hurt. That hurt. I've literally just put oil in the pan, and I use an ice cream scoop to scoop into each. And yes, this amount is really for 2 people. It does look a bit crazy now, but you know, we're big eaters. We're big eaters. Cooked. I'm gonna pop them in the oven to finish off actually cooking because they're just browned at the moment. 20 minutes in the oven, and now I'm gonna get started on dessert. I am going to be making the mousse for dessert, and it's pretty simple. You just need the coconut milk, icing sugar, and cacao powder. That's basically it. They are the ingredients. Sorry guys. As you can hear, the TV is also on because some people like to listen to things loudly. But yeah, and then I'm just going to place them in, and you're going to see how I get this done, and quickly. But I don't have any nice long stemmed kind of champagne-esque or what are they called, these ones, so I'm just going to use a wine glass instead. Thinking on my feet here, can't keep a good woman down and all that jazz. I'm sorry guys, the camera turned off and I didn't realise. So anyway, I mixed it together and now I'm going to decant. I'm going to be using, so I've just poured some water by the way, I'm going to be using this pasta because my partner is gluten-free and I'm dairy-free. Not that pasta has dairy in it, but I'm just saying, what a combo. So this pasta I've never actually tried before, but we're going to see what it tastes like. And again, because we eat a ridiculous amount, I got 2 boxes. I don't know, they say you're only supposed to, I think 1 box is for 2 people. Doesn't even matter, I'm putting them both in. And any leftovers always gets eaten. Okay, so basically it was decision time. Either I get ready or we eat really late. And the decision was eat earlier and look like this. So that's what we went with in the end. As my favourite saying is, don't want me at my worst, you can't have me at my best. So there we go. But it's dessert time, so hopefully this is going to make up for it. Per usual, I never go to the recipe, so I've made the mousse and now I'm going to add some natural Greek yogurt and some strawberries as a garnish. And this is the finished. That's the finished article, guys. And that is a wrap for today. I hope everyone had a wonderful Valentine's and you all treated yourselves. All right, guys, until next time, bye.